Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to do PYQs for averages. Till now we are done with the concept for averages, percentages and profit and loss. So in the next few videos we are going to do PYQs for these three topics, then move to the concepts for the remaining topics. Right. So let's starting with the averages. First thing first, I am using the PYQ compilation provided by Dr. Shivin on his channel, and this file is made by Not IAS Telegram channel. A huge shout out to both of them, because finding a topic wise CSET PYQ compilation is very difficult, and it was taking us a lot of time to go and check each paper to find the topic wise question. But again, huge shout out to both of them for providing us this PDF. It has saved a lot of time and energy for us. Okay, let's start with the first question for averages. The monthly salary for all the employees in the company is this much. Monthly salary paid to male is 5200 and female is this much. The percentages of male employed in the company is what? This question is very similar. If you have seen the video for averages, there was a question of average age of boys was given, average age of girls was given, and average of the total class was given. Then they ask you the ratio of boys ratio to the girls, right? This question is very similar, and we are going to use the same method. So let the number of males in the company is M, females is F, right? Now, what do we know that average is total upon number? So the total salary of all males is how much? If you see, total is average into number, average multiply number. This is what you have to know, and this is what this single line is we are going to use this single line in every question in PYQs. So total is equal to average into number. So salary of all males is 5200 into number of males, that is M. Salary of all females is 4200 into F. Salary of all employees is 5000 means average into total number of employees, that is M plus F. I hope this is clear. Now, is not the salary of all males and all females, the sum of these two is equal to the salary of all employees? So 5200 male plus 4200 female is equal to 5000 male plus female. Solving this, 5200 male minus 5000 minus 5000 minus 5000 males is equal to 5000 females minus 4200 females. So solving this, you get 200 male is equal to what? 800 female. So male by female ratio is what? Male by female ratio is 800 by 200, or simplifying, that is 4 by 1. Means male by female ratio in the company is 4:1. Means there are 4 males and 1 female in the company. So if the total number of employees in the company is 5, there are 4 males and 1 female. So what is the percentage of males in the company? 4 by 5 into 100 means the number of males divided by the total employees in the company. So if you solve this, you will get the 80% as the answer. I hope this question is clear to you. This is very similar to question we have already done in our conceptual video. Now moving on. The average monthly income of certain family of 5 is this much. Means that this is the total average monthly income for 5 people family is this much. So total salary is average into 5. I hope this is clear. Means 50,000 is the total salary that is earned by 5 members. Means x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 is 5,000. 50,000. I hope this is clear. Can we not say that suppose x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5 are 5 people. Each is earning salary of 10,000. This is also the same thing. This is what we have shown in the example of Virat Kohli example. That suppose the average of 5-member family is 10,000. Then this means that each person is earning 10,000 rupees. So that if you do the sum this way or the other way, you are going to get the same total. So let's suppose the 5 people family Their each earning is 10,000. What will be the average monthly income of the family if income of one person is increased by 1,000 or 1,20,000? Now, this person's salary, fifth person's salary is now has been increased by this much. Now his salary is 1,30,000. I hope this is clear. Now, now what is the new salary? This person is still earning 10,000. This person is still earning 10,000. This person is still earning 10,000. Again, this person is earning 10,000. If you do, this thing, you will get the total salary as 1,70,000. So 1,70,000 is the total salary or the total new salary. If you want to calculate the average again, there are still 5 people. You will get an average of 34,000 now for the family. So the answer is 34,000. I hope this is clear. First, we calculated the average using the original salaries. Now, after that, we increase the salary and calculated the average using the new salary. Right? Now, third question. Suppose the average weight of 9 people is 50 kg. Again, total weight of 9 people will be 50 into 9. As the formula says, average into number is equal to total. Right? So, total of 9 people is 50 into 9. So, the average weight of 9 people, x1 plus x2 plus x3 up to x9 is how much? 50 into 9, that is 450. First thing is clear, this is statement number 1. Average weight of first 5 people is 45. x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 is how much? 45 into 5. So, you do the calculation, 225. The average weight of last 5 people, x5 plus x6 plus x7 plus x8 plus x9 is how much? 55 into 5. 255, 275. Right? Now, add these two. Add statement number 2 and statement number 3. Will you not get x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x5 plus x9? There is one extra 5. How? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then this is coming here. Plus there is one extra 5. We are keeping it outside the bracket. So if you do the summation, so you will get 5, 0, 0, 500. So this is equal to 500. Do we know this thing? Yes, from the statement number 1, 450 plus x5 is 500. Solving for x5 is 500 minus 450, that is 50 kg. So fifth person weight is 50 kg. So what is they asking for? Weight of fifth person is 50 kg. I hope this is clear. Question number 3 is done. Question number 4. This is very similar to question number 3. Let's see what they are saying. Average rainfall of a city for first 4 days is this much. Rainfall on last 2 days is 4:3, and total there are 6 days and 6-day average is given to you. What they are saying, that x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4, total rainfall on 4 days is average multiply by 4, that is 1.6. The last 2 days means 5th day and 6th day, average is 4:3. And the third statement says the average of 6 days, x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 plus x6 is equal to average, that is 0.5 into total number, that is 6, that is 3.0. So don't we know this from statement number 1? So x5 plus x6 is equal to 3.0 minus x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 1.6, you will get 1.4. So x5 plus x6 is 1.4, and this is statement number 2, this is statement number 3. Right? Now, we know x5 and x6 are in ratio 4:3. Can we say x5 is 4, suppose whatever you want to say, r, and x6 is 3r. This is how we can write x5 is 4r and x6 is 3r. Put these value here. x5 is 4r and x6 is 3r, that is 1.4. 7r is 1.4, r is 0.2. So r is 0.2, what we have got. x5 is 0, x5 is what? 4 into r, that is 4 into 0.2, that is 0.8 inches. That is what they are asking for on the 5th day, that is 0.8 inches. I hope this is clear. I am going fast because the concepts are already done. We have taken a lot of time there. So we'll do PYQs at a little faster pace. because you also have to build the thinking what you are going to use in the exam. You cannot go line by line. You have to be very fast in the exam because time is limited, right? So moving on, question number 6. This is the age question. In 2002, Meenu's age was one third the age of Meera. In 2002, let's say Meenu is what? A. Meenu has age was A and Meera age was B, and Meenu age is B by 3. B by 3. This is statement number 1. In 2010, what has happened? Meenu age would have been 8 years after that has happened. So Meenu age has increased by 8 and Meera age has increased by how much? B plus 8. Means 8 years has increased in both of their ages. So now Meenu age is half of Meera age, B plus 8. So 2A plus 16 is equal to B plus 8. 2A plus 16 is equal to B. What is B from here? 3A. B is 3A. You are going to use here 3A plus 8, right? So solving this, you will get 3A minus 2A, A is equal to 8. So A we are getting as 8. So Meenu age is 8 years. When? In 2002. So when was she born? What is her year of birth? You have to go back 8 years from 2002. So she must have born in 1994 by this logic. I hope this is clear. Question number 5. Now moving on. Question number 6. This is average age. This is average marks of 100 students was this much. Means what the question is saying, that average marks of 100 students is 40. This line is clear. Later found that marks of one student was 53, but they have misread it as 83. Means they, while doing this calculation, average age of 100 marks of 40, they calculated the marks of one of the student as 83. But 83 was wrong. In actual, that person has only scored 53 marks. So calculating average of 100 marks as 40. So say what is the total? Suppose these are the marks of 100 student, x2 plus x3 till x100, right? x100, or say let's say 98, 99 and 100. The total marks scored by this many student is 40 into 100. That is 4000 is the total marks scored by 100 students. Let's say this person, his marks was right now is 83. His marks is 83. So what is the marks of remaining 99 people? x1 plus x3 till 99 is 4000 minus 83. I hope this is clear. 4000 minus 83. Now, we know that marks of 89 students, these were correct, and this is 4000 minus 83. Now we have corrected our mistake. Now we have to add back that 100th student. So now I am again adding back that 100th student, and I am going to add the correct value of his marks, that is 43. Not 43, sorry, 53. 53. So what did I do? 99 students have marks equal to 4000 minus 83. This is the marks of 99 students. Now I added back 100th student and added back his correct marks, that is 53. So now what I have got? 4000 minus 83 plus 53 is 30. So this is 3970 marks. So this is the correct value of 100 student marks. Earlier we did a mistake and we miscalculated as 83, but when we added back 53, we have found that the correct value of 100 student marks is 3970. Now dividing it by total of 100 students, the new average is, what is the correct mean marks or average is 39.7. I hope this is clear. So 39.7 is the right value of averages for 100 students, right? This is the question number 6 and it was asked in 2019. I would say this was till now this was a difficult question because scope of mistake is high. Earlier were easier question, 6 question. So 5 questions I would say they were easy to moderate. This was a little confusing, that is why I am putting it as a little difficult one, right? Now, this is the way they are going to ask you question from averages. So don't worry, you are ready with the all the concepts. You have to be very confident in the exam that you will be able to solve the question. Now, a family has 2 children along with their parents. Means there are C1 and C2, 2 children are there. and there should be some mother and there should be a father, right? Average weight of the children means two children and their mother is this much. Average weight of the children and their father means two children and father is this much. And weight of father is given to you, that is 60. What is the weight of mother? Now, let's see what they are saying. C1, C2, mother and father, there are 4 people. Average weight of children means C1 plus C2 plus mother is, if I will show you, is 3 is 50, right? This is the way how to write an average. If you see, the total weight of these 3 people is 50 into 3, that is 150. I hope this is clear. And the other statement says that average weight of 2 children and father is 52 into 3, 3 to the 6, 156. I hope this is clear. Average weight of 2 students plus mother is, 2 children plus mother is 50 and father is this much, right? We have 2 equations, 1 and 2. Now, we know that father weight is 60. So, putting it in equation number 2, you will get C1 plus C2 plus 60 is equal to 156. You will get C1 plus C2 is how much? 156 minus 60. You will get a value of, say, 96, I guess, 96. So, C1 plus C2 is 96. So, C1 plus C2 is 96. Yeah. So, putting in the equation first, C1 plus C2 as 96 plus M is equal to 150. Mother is 150 minus 96. You will get the weight of mother as 54 kg. So, 54 kg is the weight of the mother. Option number D. I hope this is clear. Easy question. You just have to form the right equation and know the basic formula of averages, that is average is equal to total by the number. Right? Moving on. This is question number 8. Question number 8 says, this is average marks in English, average marks in Hindi of some girls and boys in the class, and overall average marks in English and overall average marks in Hindi is given to you. Find the value of X. Right? Now, what are we going to do in such a question? Let's say, let number of girls in the class is G and boys is P. I hope this is clear. Now, average marks of girls in English is 9. What is the total marks in English of all the girls is 9 into G. I hope this is clear. Average into total number, that is 9G is the I will write it, 9G is the total marks of all the girls in English. 9G is total marks of all the girls in English. What is the total mark of all the boys in English? 8 into B, that is 8B. And 8.8. What is 8.8 says? 8.8 is total mark, 8.8 into G plus B means total students. So 8.8 into G plus D is total marks of all the students in English. Total marks of all the students in English. Right? I hope this is clear. Now, if I say it as 8G, 8G says total marks of all the girls in Hindi. 7B is total marks of all the boys in Hindi. And this X means average multiplied by total students, is the total marks of all the students in Hindi. I hope this is clear. We have done, this is a similar question we have done, like 2 similar questions we have already done in PYQs. So, what did we do? 9G is the total marks of in English, right? So, let's focus on this part. 9G is the total marks of all the girls in English. 8B is the total marks of all the boys in English. And 8.8 G plus B is total marks of all the students in English. Similarly, other equation is 8G plus 7B is X into G plus B. Right? Solving this, 9G is minus 8.8G is equal to 8.8B minus 8B. So, solving this is 0.2G is equal to 0.8B. So, G by B is 4 by 1. I hope this is clear. G by B is 4 by 1. G by B is 4 by 1, right? So, G by B ratio is 4 by 1. Can we say the number of girls in the class is 4 into some R and number of boys in the class is 1 into R, right? So, putting these values in question number 2, 8G means 8, 4R plus 7b means r is equal to x. G plus b means 4r plus